Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Marcia, and in today's video I'm going to show you, what am I doing with my face, how to make these super easy cropped workout sweatshirts. I'm one of those weird people that I like to work out in long sleeves because I guess I think it's satisfying to marinate in your own sweat for an hour, so I like to work out in long sleeves. Everyone always picks on me about that, and I'm like, you know what? Everyone has their thing. That is mine. So I'm going to show you how to make these crop tops. They are so easy. You just need old sweatshirts, iron-on letters, an iron. I mean, that's implied, but thank God that was not hot. Great start. You'll also need scissors, some type of fabric marker or something to mark the fabric with that will wash out. Well, you're gonna cut it off, so you could just use a normal pencil. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is go ahead and put on the shirt that you are going to crop. This is just an old one I have from H&M, and I'm gonna put it on. Why am I being so awkward? The shirt is on. I feel like I'm always so weird when I film YouTube videos and I never put them up because then I'm embarrassed of who I am, but we're just going for it today. So now I'm gonna go stand in front of the mirror and figure out where I want my crop to be. Not there, not there. All right, so I have this shirt on, as you can see, and what I'm gonna do is just kind of play with it to see where I want the crop to be. Now the trick is that you always want to make sure that you, how do I say this? You always want to go longer than to go shorter, because obviously you can always cut more off. So I'm thinking like about right here would be good. I mean, maybe a little shorter. So what I'm gonna do is, again, I'm not a professional, I'm just eyeballing everything. Really confident about this. I'm gonna go ahead and mark it right about here. I like my shirts really cropped because the leggings I wear when I work out, which, you know, that would have been really smart to have those on. Do that. The leggings I wear come up to about here, so there's just a little bit of skin showing. So I have that line on there. I'm gonna go ahead, take the shirt off. I'm back on my, third outfit change of the video already. I figured I should be wearing the final product. Okay, so I have the shirt on my ironing board that, you know what, we gotta adjust the angle. Just don't pay attention to how messy my room is. Okay, thanks. So I have the shirt here. This is where the little line is. It's kind of hard to see, but that's good because obviously we want it to come out of the shirt. As you can see with this one that I have on, the material, it kind of just rolls. So it doesn't matter if it's a perfectly straight line. We're not going for perfection here. If you are, good for you. I'm literally just gonna go for it. I'm gonna just kind of eyeball where it is and start cutting. Just go slow, take your time, try to think about straight lines. So as you can see, the back is a little, like, honestly, that's not that great. So as you can see, the back is a little longer, but it doesn't really matter because when you put it on, why are people spending that much time looking at you? I'm just trying to figure out what letters I want to put on this one. If I want to do the red, I think I'll do the blue varsity letters. So I think we're on our fourth outfit change for the video now. It's fine. I went ahead and put the shirt on, and I just did that so I can see the placement of the lettering or the iron-on letters. I'm just gonna go ahead, put a pin on where I want it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take the shirt off again, lay all the letters on, iron these bad boys on. Okay. Okay, so I am back. It's clearly later because the lighting is awful as it's getting dark out. I have the final product on. Pretty happy with how it turned out. The E is kind of all cattywampus words and off in its own little world, but I still like it. It's still cute. I'm gonna wear it. I really like how this one turned out that I did with just the black crop and the red letters. I think that one's super cute. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed, got a little inspo. I'm aware that I am not the Martha Stewart of crafting or anywhere near that level. Or wait, is she cooking? I don't know. Anyway, I still hope that you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video super soon. Bye.